Hi everyone, I'm going to be reading What Does a Construction Worker Do? A new house will be built for a family. The architect has made the plans. He draws a floor plan and a picture of the house. He talks to the construction workers. He shows them where the house will be built. You see up here, this is the architect's drawing plans that will tell the workers how to build the house. Construction workers go to work. Construction workers build houses. They also build ships, bridges, skyscrapers, and roads. They build with wood, metal, bricks, and stone. Some construction workers drive big machines. Construction workers wear special clothes to keep them safe. Hard hats protect their heads. Goggles protects their eyes. Heavy boots protect their feet. Gloves protect their hands. Earbuds protect their ears from noise of the machines. Carpenters are construction workers who build with wood. They measure and cut the wood to match the architect's plans. They nail the wood together to make the house. Masons build with bricks and stones. Joiners join wood to make doors and windows. Roofers cover the house with roof. Construction workers work together to build a house. As you can see, the roofers build the roof of the house at the top here. And we have masons building the brick parts of a building. He is using a shovel. Construction workers use special tools. Carpenters use hammers to nail wood together. Masons use shovels to put cement between bricks or stones to hold them together. Plumbers put water pipes in the house. Electricians use special tape to hold wires together. So we have the tools that a carpenter would use. Here is a mason's tools. We have an electrician's tools. And we've got the plumber's tools. After the house is built, the workers keep working. Painters paint the house. Landscapers plant flowers and trees. As you can see, a picture of the painters painting the inside and the outside of the house to make it attractive. Construction workers clean all of their tools and put them away. The house looks just like how the architect drew it. The happy family moves in. The new house is done, yay! The family is ready to move in. When their work is done, the construction workers go back to their homes. They help their neighbors by fixing leaky roofs. They build playhouses for children. Construction workers are always ready to help. All right, that's it. Have a good day, guys.